Welcome, welcome, welcome to Storytime. Welcome, welcome, come right in. Welcome, welcome, welcome to Storytime. Welcome, welcome, let's begin. Welcome to Storytime at Auburndale Public Library. I'm Miss Rhonda.
I'm Isabella.
And today we're going to be talking about birds.
Yay.
And there's all kinds of different birds, aren't there? So let's see who we're going to talk about today.
All right. Our first book is going to be Froodle by Antoinette Portis. Let's see what Froodle's about. All year long, the dogs went boof, and the cats went meow. And the birds in the neighborhood went caw, caw, ooh, cheep, 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 and peep, 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 and chip, peep, caw, ooh, ooh. Until one day, out of the blue, little Bluebird didn't want to sing the same old song. She didn't know what she wanted to say. The crow went caw, and the dove went coo, and the and the little blue bird went, it wasn't a peep. Something silly maybe, something like Froodle Sproodle, definitely. Crow was not amused. What did you say? Said Crow. Oodle, said little bird. Uh-oh, said the blue jay. And the dove went, she meant peep. Little brown blue birds do not say peep. They do say peep. And little doves say coo. So true, we do. So little bluebird said peep. But a few minutes later, something else slipped out. Tiffle biffle, just a little miffle. Stop, said Crow. You're little and blue and you say peep. But she just said miffle. All of anyone? Dove liked to keep the peace. But not even snack time stopped all the silliness from spreading, because Blue Jay figured out there could be silly bluebirds too. Ickle zickle, pickle trickle. Stop it, said Crow. Too late, said Dove. Now Dove was wondering if there could be silly little white birds. Oobly snoobly, there could. You too, Dove, said Crow. Try it, said Blue Jay. Everyone knows there is no such thing as a silly black crow. Please come back, said Dove. You two, do something, said Dove. We'll mind our peeps and coos, said little blue bird. It's a lost cause, said Blue Jay. But little blue bird knew they wouldn't mind them forever, so she wondered, could crows be silly too? Cloggin', zoggin', itsy boggin', fooblick, dooblick, not a crudlick. Sliggy, quiggy, zinker triggy, buppies, scruppy, hup hup, whoopee, crows could. Floddin', went the little blue bird. Yachts, went the dove. Pleamish, said the blue jay. Uts, said the crow. The neighborhood was never the same. And the cat went schmoodle, and the dog went skerpoodle. The end. You can make all kinds of weird noises when you're a bird. Right, Rhonda?
That's right. It makes it fun. Makes it real fun. And we got little birds coming out.
And we got a big bird.
All right.
All right. Ready?
Yes.
Little bird, jump up and down. Little bird, don't make a sound. Little bird, tiptoe to me. Little bird, bend your knees. Little bird, peep, peep, peep. Little bird, sleep, sleep, sleep. Little bird, fly to the trees. And little bird, sit down, please.
Well, you know what? ducks are birds too.
Oh.
And we have 3 ducks over here.
All right.
3 little ducks that I once knew. Fat ones, fair ones, skinny ones too. But the one little duck with a feather on his back, he led the others with a quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. He led the others with a quack, quack, quack. Down to the river they would go, wibble wobble to and fro. But the one little duck with a feather on his back, he led the others with a quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. He led the others with a quack, quack, quack. So they had fun. They went off wherever they wanted to go. Now today, we're going to do a little game. Little guessing game. Hooray for Birds by Lucy Cousins. And she's got a lot of birds in here, but I'm going to make you guess on these birds. So here we go. Yep, here's your riddle. The sun is up, the sky is blue. Wake up and shout, cock-a-doodle-doo. Who does that?
Rooster.
The rooster does that. That's right. Okay, here's another one. What bird goes peck, 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 peck on trees?
I think it is a woodpecker.
Woodpecker. He goes peck, 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 peck on the trees. Okay, let's see now the next one. Now swim along and stretch your neck. It's a long neck. What is that? A swan. Very good. Now here's another one. This bird stands very tall on just one leg.
Ooh.
And I'm going to give him another. It's pink.
Oh, what kind of bird is pink, Rhonda?
It's tall. It's pink.
I think it's a flamingo.
A flamingo. Very good. Now here's a bird that says cluck, 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 and then it lays an egg.
Oh. Hey.
Chicken. And we have one last bird for you to guess. Now this bird likes the nighttime. It sleeps during the day, and at night it comes out and it says, do it, do, hoo, hoo.
Is that an owl?
An owl.
Ooh.
Fun. Birds are fun. And now we do have a little song about the owl.
All right.
I'm a great big owl, as you can see. I live high up in a tree. All the other birds wake me up when they play, because I like to sleep all day.
He's really tired. It's too early
it's
for
daytime
him.
for him. He came out just for you guys. But that's all we have today. You can go back and go to sleep here in a minute. Because it's time to end our day. It's time to end our day. It's time to say a big hooray and then be on our way. It's time to end our day. It's time to end our day. It's time to say a big hooray and then be on our way. Bye.